Hi, I'm Tyler with Skee-Ball. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your main board on your Skee-Ball Premium. Start with grabbing your screwdriver and your square bit and remove the 4 screws that are on the top panel. So remove the screws, make sure you put those screws in a safe spot because we're going to obviously need those later on. Now that the 4 screws are off, you can remove the back panel. Careful for the wires that are attached to it. On the left side, you will see your main board. Remove all of the connections on that main board. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, finally number 5. Remove your main board by applying slight force on the anchors that it sits on. Now that that is removed, here's our main board. Grab your new main board and reconnect the switches that you just removed. Place the board back on the exposed holes to the plastic anchors and ensure all of your wires have been reattached. Now, before you close the back panel, power your game on, replug it in and test it. If the game turns back on and it's working as it should, feel free to put the panel back down. Grab those screws you safely put away, and your back panel has now been reattached and your main board has been replaced on your Skee-Ball Premium. Thank you and have a pleasant tomorrow.